Hey everyone, if you guys have been following my channel, you know that I just got a Asus Vivobook Flip laptop, and the model that I got was the one from Walmart. Is the entry-level version that doesn't come with the Asus pen active stylus. So I went to Amazon to see if they have the Asus pen or Asus active pen, whatever, and they didn't. And then I went online and they were sold out on Asus's website. And what kind of like got me to get this instead of the Asus pen was not just because they were sold out, but also because the price is like almost more than double the price of this active pen right here. So this active pen, I didn't want to wait to get in any other one, so I just ordered this one on Amazon. It's like the most reviewed and most I guess purchased active pen for the Asus laptops. This pen is compatible with the Asus ZenBook, the Asus Transformer, and the it said Vivobook Flip. It has the same specs as far as the Asus active pen goes. It has 1,024 levels of pressure, so not too much pressure, at least compared to, let's say, a writing tablet pen, which is like the average is like 4,000, while others are like up to 8,000. I believe if you have a Galaxy Note 9, Note 10, they're they're like 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, and then the new Note 20 is like around 8,000. So not too much, but it's good enough. For what I'm probably gonna do is like some light drawing and just navigating around my laptop screen without touching it, so I don't get it marked up with a lot of fingerprints and smudges like that. So this one comes from Tesha, and you can get it on Amazon with Prime delivery for $33.99. So let's take a look at it now. So here it is in the box. So this Tesha Active Pen comes in three colors. You have black, you have gray, and then silver. Silver being almost like a almost whitish in color, at least from the pictures on Amazon, whereas the gray one looked to be more silver, or metal color, metallic color, which matches the color of my laptop. So the box, nothing much except for the picture of the pen here, and then it says active stylus right there, right here where my thumb is, my left thumb. And then nothing much, just some FCC symbols right there on the side, nothing on the other side, nothing on the, wait, what is it on the bottom? It says specifications and appearance are subject to change without notice. And then here in the back is your specs and the model of Asus laptops that they're compatible with, or even all the models that they're Asus Transformer, Asus Notebook, HP Envy. So you can pause that, read it for yourself, although it's kind of hard to read because the box is like holographic, almost like the Note 10 Plus's Aro Glow color. So let's open it up. Okay, so inside the box, it looks like we have the pen and what is this? A triple 4A? Let's look at that a little bit later, see what else we get in the box. So in the box you just have on this side, it looks like in some kind of instructions or drawing on how to use the pen. And then on the opposite side is more instructions and how to assemble the battery or install the battery into the pen. And yeah, that's about it. The battery is 4A, which is smaller than AAA. And here is the pen. And it looks identical to the Asus pen. And you have these buttons right here. The front button is for erase. And then this is a right click button, I guess for, I don't know, for navigation, or bringing up a menu or something like that. We'll find out. So let's just put the battery in first. So it's very simple. You just unscrew the top part right here where it's got like this clip like on your pens. So you can, you know, clip them to something. Although I don't think you'll be able to clip it to the laptop. But what is good is it seems to be about the same width as my other pen that I can't use because it's only compatible with Lenovo laptops, and that's the Lenovo pen right here, or the Yoga pen, Lenovo pen right here, Lenovo Active Pen 2. And this one has like 4096 levels of pressure, so they're pretty much the same width. So since I still have this pen, I could use this part, which is yeah, it fits. So this is like a little attachment where you can plug this to a spare like USB-A port on your laptop, and then you can store the pen that way, or you know, carry it that way. And it came with the Lenovo Active Pen. Let me break out my laptop and let's see if it works with the laptop. So here's my Asus Vivobook, and see, here is the pen. I guess they're pretty close in color. So see the USB thing, you can use like a spare USB port, like say right here. And then plug it in. And there you go. Now you have a place to put your pen when you're not using it. And like I said, it came with the Lenovo, but not with the this Tesha Active Pen. Put this Asus into tablet mode. And actually, maybe put it in tent mode. So let's see if it works. Right here. Hey, that's cool. PC. But it works. It's letting me navigate through the screen, as you can see. And I'm trying to look for that drawing app that I installed on here. Oh, here it is. Right there. Drawboard PDF. So let's go to that. And Jesus, there's so much reflection on this screen. So continue. Okay. Yeah, so it does work. Whatever, right? It does work. And yeah, I'm just gonna play around with it, and then maybe I'll do another review later on to see how good I can really draw on this thing. So, but that is it for now. This is the Tesha Active Pen. You can get it on Amazon for $33.99. It comes in 3 colors. This is the gray model. There's a black and a silver one, which is lighter than this one. So that is it. So if you guys are interested in this pen and you have an Asus ZenBook or any of the other touchscreen laptops that I just mentioned on the back of this right here, I'll put a link in my description. But that is it for now, everybody. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.